Well, this is as far as I got before I ran out of loops. I've got this. I got the body of it. I figured out how to do the wings. I wanted the wings just kind of stick out loopies. A little rough under the chin. And then do a gaiter on the neck. So it make the ruff stand out and to separate the head from the body. Can't see it very well because it's not in person and it's this, but anyway. Already making changes. I'm going to make one layer shorter on the bottom so that it goes right, so that the wings come right down to the bottom, like that. And I think I'm going to lower one in through here somewhere, so I don't have. I'm going to knock off one layer of 3 feathers, I think. So it's going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right now it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 3, 2. Maybe it'd look better without the 4th one sticking in there. Let me see. I think. Can't tell. Stand up and look. No, I kind of like the 4th one. I think for the 4th one, I'll pick the next feather in though, and make it go 1/2 step in. You know what I mean when I get around to making it. As you can see, I've been sealing my edges as I go. Sealing my edges as I go. These are the last 2 loops that I haven't sealed yet, and these go to the garter stitch or the neckline. So, anyhow, I'm going to take it apart, change it, redo what I'm writing, and then I'm going to have to add some from my other scheme to the head. But I really like having this owl, and I want to get, I'm not sure how to get the neck down right. I'm thinking of reducing in here again or something, and then, I don't know, I'll think of something. Anyway, I wanted to let you see what I've worked on so far. I have been working today. I've been a good girl. Bye-bye.